Welcome to ReneEnergy.com, your renewable energy and sustainability platform. At ReneEnergy.com, we believe in the power of clean, sustainable energy to transform the way we live and work. That's why we offer a range of solutions for businesses and homeowners looking to switch to renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and water. If you're considering switching to a solar panel system for your home or business, you're not alone. Solar energy is a clean, renewable, and cost-effective way to power your home or business, and it has many benefits for both the environment and your wallet. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore the various factors to consider when going solar and provide tips on how to switch to a solar panel system. Factors to consider when going solar. Before making the switch to solar, there are a few factors you should consider ensuring that it is the right choice for your home or business. 1. Location. The location of your home or business plays a significant role in the feasibility and cost of a solar panel system. Factors such as the average amount of sunlight in your area and local incentives and rebates can impact the cost and performance of a solar panel system. 2. Energy usage. The size of the solar panel system you need will depend on your energy usage. A larger system with more solar panels will be needed to meet the energy needs of a home or business with high energy usage, while a smaller system may be sufficient for a home or business with lower energy usage. 3. Roof size. The size of your roof is another important factor to consider when going solar. A larger roof may be able to accommodate more solar panels, which could lower the cost per panel. 4. Type of solar panels. There are several different types of solar panels to choose from, each with its own cost and performance characteristics. The type of solar panels you choose will impact the overall cost of the system. 5. Financing options. The financing option you choose can also impact the cost of a solar panel system. Options include paying for the system outright, financing it through a loan, or leasing it. Tips for going solar. Now that we've discussed the factors to consider when going solar, let's look at some tips for making the switch. 1. Research your options. There are many different solar panel systems and financing options to choose from. It's a good idea to research your options and compare prices and performance to determine the best fit for your needs and budget. 2. Get multiple estimates. It's a good idea to get estimates from multiple solar panel installation companies to get a range of costs. This will give you a better understanding of the range of prices you can expect to pay for a solar panel system. 3. Consider incentives and rebates. Many states and localities offer incentives and rebates for solar panel installations, which can significantly reduce the overall cost of a solar panel system. Be sure to research these options and factor them into your calculations. 4. Consult with a solar panel professional. A solar panel professional can assess your specific needs and provide a customized quote that takes into account all of the factors that impact the cost of a solar panel system. It's a good idea to consult with a professional to get a more accurate estimate of the cost of a solar panel system. 5. Consider ongoing costs. In addition to the upfront cost of a solar panel system, it's important to consider ongoing costs such as maintenance and repair. Be sure to ask about these costs and factor them into your budget when considering the total cost of a solar panel system. 6. Evaluate your energy usage. Before going solar, it's a good idea to evaluate your energy usage to determine how much solar capacity you need. By reducing your energy usage through measures such as upgrading to energy-efficient appliances, you can lower the size and cost of your solar panel system. Conclusion. In conclusion, going solar is a cost-effective and environmentally friendly way to power your home or business. By researching your options, getting multiple estimates, and consulting with a solar panel professional, you can make an informed decision about switching to a solar panel system and start enjoying the many benefits of solar energy. Thank you for choosing ReneEnergy.com as your go-to source for all things renewable energy and sustainability. With our YouTube channel, we explore the latest developments and innovations in the field, including hydrogen fuel cells and the use of AI and machine learning to optimize energy consumption. If you're ready to take the next step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future, visit us at ReneEnergy.com and discover the many ways we can help you transition to renewable energy. Thank you for watching and subscribing. Stay up to date on all the latest news and insights by subscribing today.